and happy, very, very happy trading to you all. A very beautiful day today. Okay, what is happening here is the Euro USD as usual because I'm a specialist of Euro USD as the Euro USD is moving the same direction like the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Index, the Nasdaq Index, all the major currency, the FTSE Index, whichever index you are trading, the CAC 40, okay, and the DAX 30, they all move in harmony. As also with gold, we watch carefully this smart indicator in the market, and then we'll move on as soon as we see a clear cut indicating. We'll move on to all the indices and also the stock that will move in the same direction like this. Euro USD. Okay, so yesterday I did a video. If you are following us, you will know exactly what I'm talking about here. I did a video and I was telling you that we were waiting for a formation of an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, if you haven't watched that video, you may go and watch the video that I posted yesterday. I do not know exactly which one I was how I titled that video, maybe a trader's mind or something like that. And I was showing you that we were waiting for an inverted head and shoulder to be formed. Okay, and as because as always we are ahead of the market, know if there is a change going to happen. Many time we are ahead of the market. Okay, and this is the left hand side shoulder. Okay, and this is the head here. Okay, and we were waiting here for this right hand shoulder to be formed. Okay, so but yesterday it wasn't completed. That's why I tell you, if you have the TSTW24 trading system, you will know exactly what's going on. If they are going up, you will follow them. If they are going down, you will definitely be part of it. Okay, so we knew that they are now changing direction here because we are expecting the price to come and break this zone here. Okay, in order to complete this inverted head and shoulder to come up, okay, nicely, to come from here all the way here and break it right there. Now, but because yesterday also was the last day of November, sometimes the market, if you start moving one particular direction on the last day of the month, they will prefer to have the same thing and change direction the next day. Okay, so it's right here they change direction. These people, they change direction right there, and then what happened? They just come and retested this low here. Okay, so they validate after all the blah 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 all the story. Okay, after all they validate this low here. Okay, giving us a double bottom pattern right here. Okay, and also they have done that. Okay, and now they break it here, which means all this zone here is now our right hand shoulder. Okay, so this is the left hand side shoulder, this is the head here, and because of this double bottom pattern here, we have the right hand shoulder, which is a kind of special one for you, a double bottom, which is a right hand shoulder here, and then right there they break it here. So what do we do after we receive this pattern here? Is that this is not the TSTW24 trading system, by the way. This is about analyzing a chart pattern only. Okay, but if you want to know our secret, you need to go to www.stochasticmarket.com and get the TSTW24 before it is too late. There's no point to fool yourself if you are not enjoying your trading and losing every day while other people are enjoying it. Okay, so how do we do with what do we do with this pattern of inverted head and shoulder? Okay, we want to have a bit of target. That's what the professionals are doing. So the target is usually drawn from here. Okay, some people are very straight. They would like to do it like a theory, but trading is not theory, it's a practical game. You are dealing with the mindset, the emotion of other people, and the changes in the market manipulation through the news, okay, or the blah blah blah. And so nothing is like a theory. 1 plus 1 is 2, and it must be like that. It's never like that. So it's changing constantly. That's why you must recognize when the music is changing, the dance also must change. Okay, so right here I will draw it like somebody who is a bit greedy. It will go directly to the bottom of it and draw it from here all the way to the top to touch the neckline. This is the neckline of our inverted head and shoulder. If you do not know about the inverted head and shoulder, this inverted head and shoulder, like I was telling you yesterday, is a bit hidden because it's a bit shifted to the side. Okay, you see, it's not like horizontal that you can see straight away. It's a bit hidden, what they call a slanted inverted head and shoulder, or I prefer the word hidden. It's a bit hidden. Okay, so you need to pay attention to it. With a bit of experience, you'll be able to recognize this pattern all the time. And then you move that distance, okay, this distance from the lower part to project vertical. Okay, it's a vertical projection. It's not by angle, it's a directly vertical projection, and then you move it to the where the price break the neckline. Okay, and this is the neckline here. Okay, and you project there. So your target will be in this region here. I'll draw a horizontal line there for you, so you can see also. Now the reason why I don't like too much to talk about the target, because when people put target on their chart, they're expecting the price to do exactly there, and they will put a limit order there for the price to come there, and then they will come out, and sometimes the price will turn around before that, and sometimes they will see a winning trade become a losing trade, and because they try to impose their target on the market, and the market does not have to follow anybody's target. Okay, now myself, what I do, where anytime I'm trading, I try to not to be too greedy, and when I see the opportunity, I bank my profit, because if you do not bank it, it's not there. I bank it constantly. Okay, so I won't draw it from the low part, really low, like I did here. Myself, what I usually do, I draw it I mean the most conservative way. Okay, conservative. So you don't want to be too greedy. I'm drawing it from the closing point of this green candle here. So I'm inside, I'm not in the bottom of this one. I prefer here, so I know that I have a more chance that I will be hit in case these people. Okay, because if this target will be hit, mine will be hit first, so I take my profit before everybody else. There's no need to worry. You don't lose anything, because there will be another opportunity shortly, so I'm not losing anything. So then this will be my projection. Okay, the second one is my projection. You see around what the price is doing. The first target was at 13169, which is quite high, but generously high. Okay, if they manage to get it, that's fine. And my target is here as always. My favorite color, as you know now, is yellow as always. Okay, so I'll put in yellow. Okay, my lovely yellow. As you can see, the price came near my target, which is nice, as you can see there. Okay, and now they are turning around a bit. Okay, we are expecting what we call a healthy pullback after the trend line is broken. Okay, the trend line is broken, and the price rushed to the upside. Okay, and right there it went up big time. Okay, so that's it. Yesterday night I was here before they break it. I see it myself clearly, and I'm in a swing trading now with the Euro USD to the upside. I'm in a swing trading since yesterday. Okay, but I'm going to do another video. Also, I will show you one trade that went wrong yesterday. So I opened two positions yesterday night, and one of them, I break one of my cardinal rules. Okay, I break one of my trading rule. I will show you, and you'll see that. Okay, I don't like too much to show people losing trade, because the reason is that people are losing more than they are winning. So there's nothing we can show them more than that. They know how to lose. The only thing that they do not know is how to win. Okay, so there are plenty of losing trade every day in the on people portfolio, so they know about losing. Okay, so I don't like to show people, because it will affect them psychologically. We want to give them something positive that they will work on with. Okay, but today I will show you one of the little mistake I make, which is I break one of my cardinal trading rule. Okay, so there will be a video after this one that I'll post also for you to show you something. So I entered yesterday night. I was here because I knew that these people were just wasting our time. So this is swing trading after this level is broken. Okay, but we are expecting the euro, if there is no more market manipulation, which means a lot of news to come into the market to make traders do something that they do not want to do. Okay, or they blah blah blah, because everything is quantified clearly in the price. The price does not hide anything. So all the people who are talking non-stop or blah 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 blah, in order to make traders to change their mind or do something that they are not supposed to do, they should keep their mouth shut for a while and let traders get on with their own trading. The politician or the news or the blah 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 blah. Keep your mouth shut, please. Okay, this is for the TSCW. Okay, by the way, they are allowed to talk. They can talk. Okay, that's fine. All right. Sometimes they say some good stuff. Okay, so we let them talk. Okay. So this is about the inverted head and shoulder. So I'm target there. So we are expecting a nice pullback. Okay, a healthy pullback. Some people are scared. As soon as they see the price break a trend line, they say, okay, I have to jump in by all means. I'm missing opportunity. You're not going to miss anything because you are not the only one that missed this breakout. I was waiting for it since yesterday. You see how many times it took me? Okay, it took me ages. You see, I was waiting since yesterday around 4 o'clock London time, and this happened around this morning London time. Okay, in the morning like this, before London was open, this line was broken, this trend line was broken, and I'm in swing trading. Okay, as a day trader, we trade after London open and after New York open. Okay, but swing trading is different rules. Okay, so right now I break it now actually, and then my first target is hit here. Okay, so this is it. First target is hit now. We're expecting a healthy pullback. I'm so desperate for that healthy pullback nicely that will confirm that they will confirm the wellness of this movement to the upside if it will continue. Okay, we don't want too much mess. We want a healthy pullback nicely and then a turnaround to the upside. The TSTW24 by all means will cream this market consistently as I show you right now. So this is about yesterday video that I did about the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, now this inverted head and shoulder is completed and the first target is hit. The most ambitious target is still there. We are expecting a pullback nicely and then another one to break this level and to continue the movement to the upside. And all these people who are talking about blah blah blah, sell the euro, they will start talking again that all the euro is going up, they should buy now. We were talking about that for some time since yesterday. We expect the euro to go up instead of going down, but remember it's a tricky trade, okay, because the euro now has become the second crazy currency pair right now because of all the blah 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 regarding Ireland, Greece, Portugal, Spain. The same thing they did to the USD yen, and the same thing they are trying to do now to the euro, to sell like a crazy by all means, anywhere, anyhow. So anytime you are buying the euro right now, you need to be very very cautious because the market can change direction at any time because of the market manipulation through the news. Okay, the politician and the news or readers, okay, they are the one that manipulate the market by talking too much. Okay, but the chart does not lie. The chart does not manipulate the market. The chart will show you clearly here. An inverted head and shoulder is here. The market respect the first target. We will see what will happen in the second one. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you very much.